Hello everyone. Today I am discuss about the Lakshmikant book solution. The British equality part of the high examination. The British come to in India 16,000s as traders in the form of East India Company, which had the exclusive right of the trading in India. Under a charter granted of Queen Elizabeth in 1765, the company, which till now had purely trying function functions object the divine doing rights over revenue and civil justice of British began Bengal, Bihar or Odisha. And Odisha this started its care as a territory power in 1858 in the wake wake of the Spy Mutiny. The British Crown assembled direct responsibility of the governors of India. This rule constitute until India had grounded independent of August 15th, 1947. With independence come to need for a constitutions. Hence a constitution assembly was formed for the purpose in 1946 on January 26, 1915 the constitution come into being. However, various features of the Indian constitution and polity have their roots in the British rule. There were certain events in the British rules that laid down the legal for work of the organization and functions of the government of the administration in British India. Their events have gradually increased the constitution and polity. There are explanations there and are in a correctly order under the major hands. The company law in 1773, 1858, the Crown rules 1858, 1947, regulating act for 1773. This act was of great constitutional importance as it was the first step taken by the British government of the to control and regulate and affairs of the East Indian Company in India. It recognized for the first time the politics and administrative functions of the company, and it is laid the foundation of central administration in India. The future of the act were as following. It discussed and governor of Bengal as the governor general of Bengal was created. The exclusive council of the four member to assist him. The first such governor general was Lord Hensing. It made the governors of Bombay and Maharashtra presidents subcon- subconsident to the Governor General of Bengal. Unlike easily when their presidents were independent of the any other in provide of the assessment of the Supreme Court at Kolkata 1774, compressing of the Chief Justice and the three other judges. It provident as the servants of the company from organization in any private trade of the accepting present or previous of the native. It is suggesting significated the control of the British government of the over the company by requiring the courts of this director governor body of the company to report on its revenue, civil and military affairs in India. Amendment Act of 1781 in a board of research of the definite of the regulating Act 1773. The British Parliament passed the Assembly Amendment Act of 1781, also known as the Act of the State Settlement. The feature of the Act were as following. It explicit the Governor General and the Council form of the just, Justice of the Supreme Court for the Act done by them is their officially capacity. Similarly, it also expected the servant of the company from the judiciary jurisdiction of the Supreme Court for other official accounting. It excluded the revenue matters and the matters arising in that collection of the revenue from the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. It provided that the Supreme Court was the have jurisdiction over the inhabitants of the